Hello and welcome to Games for All. Today I'm going to be looking at this monstrosity. I'm that person who judges a board game by its cover, and I won this in a competition last Halloween and thought, oh, it looks horrendous. But I have since been told by various sources that this is one of the best, if not the best, 90-minute civilization game that there is. So I'm going to be unboxing this, looking at the components and trying to get past my own inhibitions about how it looks. I mean, she just looks like she needs to be put out of her misery. So let's get on with this, shall we? Right, so let's have a look at this. Let's get it open to start with. Trusty scissors. Get the cellophane off. You're over there, ready to go in the bin. As with everything, I make sure to recycle what I can as we go through. So let's see what's inside this very ugly box. So, start off, we have got a map. Oh, we have got a very blank map. Interesting. With what looks like some nice resource iconography on it, which looks like it'll be easy to follow. Let's keep going. Aha! Our instructions. So it seems that we're going to be building a continent on this map, and we're going to be putting tiles on. It does look quite interesting, and it's not the biggest of instruction booklets, which is good, and it has that thing that I really like of telling you what the different cards do, what the different symbols do in an easy to look at sheet at the back. So often with these you have to flick through to find what you're looking for. It's right there for you. That's quite nice. So let's keep going through. Oh, these look like player boards. Well done, Stronghold Games, by the way, for using paper to hold them together rather than plastic. It is so nice to see something a bit more sustainable being used. So we've got these player boards. Yeah, it looks like they're all the same, just 4 different colours. And the iconography looks very nice as well. Hopefully, having all of those icons on there will make it easy to follow when I understand the different things that there are. It looks like this might be travel increases as you go along. Farming, maybe? Some form of farming thing. Smithing and technology, and trade from lots of things. So yeah, it'll be interesting to see how they all work. Ooh, now we get all the nice little tokens. Oh yeah, double board. There we go. Pressing together. So I'm going to fast forward through me going through all of these. I assume that you pop them on to this board and it changes things that they do. Yes, so they've got a buying cost on them. You're obviously buying them, and then they slot on your board and change things. So I'm going to put these out. These must be the continent pieces. So we'll be putting these onto the map. Like so, which means no 2 games of this will be the same. I like that. That's going to be good. See how it plays when I get a chance to. Fast forward again. looks like we've got some coins and victory point trackers. Ooh, slightly different tectonomo shapes. And some form of Colosseum piece. Inside the bag, don't worry, each of these are going to be taking their own bags, and again I can show you that as I quickly do it. At the end we've got all these lovely little pieces, little meeply dudes, in all the different colours, player markers of some variety, flat tokens, little square cubes. I look forward to seeing what they're all used for in the game. So I will pop them back inside their bag now, because knowing me, I'd otherwise drop things on the floor. Which I don't want to do. I don't want to go losing pieces from the game that I just opened. The colours are nice and vibrant as well, which is nice to see, because you don't often get it like that. Sometimes they're a bit faded. What else have we got in here? Stickers. Intriguing. I wonder if that's to modify things with. How strange. You can check that another time. We've got tiny little cards here. These are the civilization cards, the age cards. So as time progresses, you go to new ages and you get access to new technologies, new things that you didn't have access to before, which is represented by these cards, if I can get into them. There we go. So we've got all these nice different types of buildings that give different amounts of money. Go through factories, space age, observatories. Oh, very nice. And then we've got these cards, some more different civilization cards. Which have the artwork from the box on, but with it being individual people rather than multiple ones together, it's a bit a chicken man. Okay, yeah, whatever. With it being individual, it's not too jarring, unlike the box art. I can put up with it a little bit more on that. It seems to have a decent selection of things available as well, and some vehicles and technology things. Oh, it's like being in the Jetsons. Yeah. The one thing that is nice about this is that it's different art on every card. It's not the same on each one. So at least you're definitely seeing different things as you go through. So that's it. That is the Golden Ages. I'm just going to cut forward a second whilst I go and get some baggies to hold things in. Gaming. The only place where you have a wide variety of baggies, other than necessarily being a drug dealer as well. So whilst it's fast forwarding, I'll just have a quick chat about what my initial impressions are. Having opened up the game, the artwork isn't quite as jarring as I feared it would be. And then it's just something thematically for the game. it seems like there's a lot of interesting symbology in here that hopefully will make sense and will make the game easier to play. I'm very much a person who enjoys symbols in games because I find they speed up the process for me quite a lot. So hopefully it'll speed up this game. Watch out for my review of it once I've had a chance to get it played, and I will let you know whether that is true or not. But I do know that this is highly regarded by quite a lot of people, because originally I was thinking of just selling it on because it did not appeal to me artwork wise at all. And when you get people like Paul Grogan saying to you it is one of the best Civilization games out there and that it is very, very good, well, at that point you do have to take stock and go, well, he definitely knows his onions. For those who don't know who Paul Grogan is, he runs Gaming Rules, and I shall be putting a link to that up on the description for this post. So that was my unboxing of the Golden Ages. First impressions are it does actually look a lot more interesting inside the box than the artwork on the outside would suggest. I'm looking forward to giving it a go, and I will come back to you with my review of it at a later date once I've actually had a chance to play it. Please, if you've enjoyed this video, click like, subscribe, or leave a comment for me if you think something went well or didn't go well. I run gamesfall.net, which is my blog, where you'll be seeing written up things as well as videos, podcasts, things like that. So please do pop along, find me on social media at SteedTaylorGamer, and let me know what you think. Okay.